Hello children, in this class we will discuss general knowledge class 3 lesson 1. The name of the lesson is Save the Environment. I request all of you to take out page 239. Let us check it out. Look at the pictures showing methods of conservation of environment. Write 4 such methods. In this lesson what we have to do is that in the given picture some clues are given here, and by looking at this picture we have to find out at least 4 methods through which we can conserve or protect our environment. So let us find out 4 methods. The first one, that is carpool. What do you mean by carpool? Means if we move from one place to another, instead of using 2-3 vehicles, if possible we should use only one vehicle, so that we can reduce the use of our natural resources, that is fossil fuels like petrol or diesel, and also we can protect our environment from air pollution. So the first one is carpool. At the right side of the screen you can check out the answers. The 4 methods are written here, and write it down. You can write it down in the given blanks. So the first one is carpool. Write carpool in the given blank. The second method, that is here a boy is riding a cycle on the road. What we can learn from this picture? It means that if we go or move to a short distance, we should use cycle, that is cycling, which is beneficial for our health, as well as it saves our natural resources like petrol or diesel, and it also saves our environment from being polluted. So the second method is cycle for short distances. In the given blank write cycle for short distances. Next, let us find out the third method. Here in the given picture we can check it out. We can see a solar panel and windmills. What is the use of solar panel? The solar panel converts the sunlight to solar energy. And what is the use of windmills? When the wind blows, the blades of the windmill starts rotating, and it converts the wind energy to electrical energy. So from this given picture we came to know that we should use solar energy or wind energy instead of using non-renewable resources. Why? Because if we use alternative source of energy, what will happen? At least we can save our natural resources, that is, which are non-renewable. So the third method is use solar energy or wind energy. Right? Use solar energy or wind energy in the given blank. Next, let us find out the third method. Here we can see 4 dustbins over here of different colors: green, yellow, red and blue. So from this given picture we came to know that we should use different containers, different dustbins to dispose different types of waste. For example, if it is a vegetable waste, we should dispose it separately, and if it is a plastic waste, we have to dispose it in different dustbin, and if it is a plastic waste, we have to dispose it in different containers, that is in different dustbin. And if the waste materials are wet, we have to dispose it in separate dustbin, or we should dispose the dry waste materials in different dustbin. So these are some of the methods through which we can use separate bins for garbage. So we should dispose all the different types of waste in different dustbins, like the vegetable waste, plastic waste, or different types of waste which is wet or dry. We should not dispose them together in one container or in one dustbin. So this is the fourth method, that is use separate bins for garbage. So dear children, I hope you understood about this. From this given picture we came to know we have learned 4 methods to save the environment. That is, the first one is carpool. The second one is we should use cycle to cover short distances instead of using vehicles, so that we can save the fossil fuels, or we can control the environment from being polluted. And the third one is we should use alternative source of energy, that is solar energy or wind energy, so that we can conserve all the non-renewable resources. And we should use separate bins for garbage. We should dispose all the different types of waste in different bins. So write all these 4 points in the given blanks. Next, lesson 2, check my position. Look at the actions of the kitten with a ball of wool. Write its position using correct preposition words from the help box. Here in this lesson, what we have to do is that we have to check the position of the cat from the ball of wool. The cat is at which position from the wool, and to find out the correct position we have to use preposition words from the help box. Here in this help box the prepositions are given here. We have to find out the correct prepositions, that is the position of the cat from the ball of wool. First of all, let us discuss about what is preposition. Preposition is a word which is used before a noun to show direction, time, place, location. So we use preposition. Where do we use preposition? Before a noun. What do you mean by noun? Naming words are known as noun. All are names of person, place or thing. So we use preposition before a noun. Why we use preposition? To show the direction, time, place, location, to show the position of a place. In a simple way, we can define, or we can say that a preposition links a noun or a pronoun to the other parts of the sentences. As you can see here, this is an example. The cat is above the wool. This above is the preposition which we used to join, which act as a linking word between the cat and the wool. Cat is a noun and wool is also a noun. So the word above is used as a linking word, that is preposition between the word, the noun cat and wool. So this is the definition of preposition. Let us check it out. Let us check out the position of the cat to that of the ball of wool. The first one, see, what is the position of the cat from the wool? The cat is on, right on, in the given blank. All the answers are given at the right side of the screen. You can check out the answers on. Next, question number 2. What is the position of the cat? This position is called beside, right beside, in the given blank. Question 3. What is the position of the cat from the wool? This position we call it as, the cat's position is called above. So the cat is above the wool. Next, question 4. Here we can see a ball of wool. Here also we can see a ball of wool. And here we can see the kitten. The kitten is at which position? That is between. Right between in the given blank. Next, 5. What is the position of the cat? The position of the cat is in. The cat is in the wool. Write in the given blank. Next, 6. What is the position of the cat? The cat is under. The cat is under the wool. Next, 7. What is the position of the cat? The position of the cat is behind the wool. The cat is behind the wool. This position is called behind. Next, 8. What is the position of the cat? The cat is in front of, right in front of, in the given blank, in front of the wool. This picture looks like the cat is below the wool, but the position of the cat is in front of the wool. This is the cat, and behind the cat, this is the woolen ball. So the cat is in front of the wool. Next, 9. What is the position of the cat? The position of the cat is near. The cat is near the wool. So this position is called near. So dear children, I hope you understood about this lesson. I request all of you to write it down, and also I request all of you to remember this position. By using these examples, you can find out position of a place. So dear children, in our next class we will discuss lesson 3. Thank you. Have a nice day.